Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an artifact in Claude AI step by step. Artifacts allow you to generate and view structured content like code, documents, or interactive outputs in a separate workspace. Let's get started. Claude is an AI assistant developed by Anthropic that helps with writing, coding, research, and other productivity tasks. One powerful feature in Claude is called Artifacts, which allows the AI to create structured outputs like code files, web apps, and documents that appear in a dedicated panel. Here's how to create an artifact. Step 1. Open Claude. First, go to the Claude website or open the Claude desktop app. Sign in using your account credentials. Once you are logged in, open a new chat. Step 2. Enable artifacts, if available. Artifacts are automatically enabled in supported versions of Claude. When Claude generates certain types of content, such as code, HTML, or documents, it may automatically display them as artifacts. Step 3. Request an artifact. In the chat box, ask Claude to create something structured. For example, you can type a prompt like, "Create a simple HTML landing page." Claude will generate the output, and it will appear as an artifact in a separate panel next to the chat. Step 4. View the artifact panel. The artifact will appear in a side panel where you can view the content more clearly. This panel is designed to display things like code files, documents, web interfaces, and interactive components. Step 5. Edit or improve the artifact. You can ask Claude to modify the artifact. For example, you can say, "Add a contact form to this page, change the design to dark mode." Claude will update the artifact accordingly. Step 6. Copy or export the content. You can copy the generated code directly from the artifact panel. This allows you to paste the code or text into your own projects. Step 7. Continue iterating. Artifacts are especially useful for coding projects, UI layouts, and structured writing tasks. You can continue asking Claude to refine or expand the artifact until it meets your needs. Important tip. Artifacts work best when you clearly describe what you want to create, such as a website layout, code script, document format, or interactive tool. And that's it. That's how you create an artifact in Claude AI step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.